Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Vegas Blackjack, updated. Start by learning the objective. Beat the dealer without busting, aiming for 21 or as close as possible. Learn when to hit, stand, split, or double down using basic strategy. Manage your bankroll with set bets and table limits. Practice bankroll control and table etiquette, and remember that card counting is discouraged. Play responsibly and enjoy the game. Use a simple basic strategy to reduce the house edge and make clear decisions at the table. Focus on your hand versus the dealer up card and avoid guessing. Keep bets consistent and only vary when the situation clearly favors you. Avoid insurance bets unless you use an advanced counting method. Stay calm, limit distractions, and practice online or with friends before heading to the casino. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers keep your snacks fresh and mess-free, perfect for long casino sessions or travel. I use them to stash almonds and protein bites between hands, which keeps my focus sharp. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Advanced play includes splitting, doubling, and understanding soft hands with an ace. Treat soft totals differently because the ace can change from 11 to 1 without busting. Use doubling sparingly on 10 or 11 when the dealer shows a weak card. Only split when basic strategy recommends it, and never chase losses. Keep a simple notebook of mistakes to improve quickly and maintain steady, disciplined play at the tables.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.